Hi, my name's Nick Smith from Cordina, and together with Leonora Horn from the University of Newcastle, we formed a team named Calc Collab, which focuses on Scope 3 calculations in heavy industry. Our team brings over 50 years of combined experience in emissions calcs, big data, analytics, and leading innovation teams. The first problem with Scope 3 is that calculations are complex because they require connecting vast amounts of data from both internal and external systems. These calculations aren't the end goal too. Net zero planning and product carbon footprints demand even more data integration and careful coordination. And Scope 3 data is used in many different ways by companies, meaning solutions need to orchestrate a variety of inputs and outputs. The complexity of Scope 3 reporting is compounded by near-term disclosure requirements, with over 60,000 companies soon required to disclose Scope 3 emissions numbers. The cost burden of this compliance is high, with smaller companies facing disproportionately high costs on a relative basis. The third problem with Scope 3 is that data often stays siloed within ESG teams, preventing its use in operational decision making. Integrating this data across frontline operations is critical to drive faster decarbonisation of the supply chain. The proposed solution, Calc Collab, addresses these three key problems. Calc Collab is proposed to be an open source, no or low code calculation toolkit for carbon and other ESG calcs. We propose to create widget libraries in commonly used data management tools, examples of which are highlighted on the screen below. From a flexibility perspective, straight out the door, this helps solve some of the Scope 3 challenge, as these tools are already designed to accommodate hundreds of different data connection types. By leveraging existing or cheaply deployed data management tools, our solution is lower cost than SaaS, and the prospect of an open source widget library allows for large-scale collaboration and impact. Lastly, the beauty of using data management tools for these calculations is that at any step, they can be easily integrated into the frontline systems. Your investment would go towards building widgets for the open source library, as well as user engagement in our first target sector, lithium. Widgets would be focused towards emerging disclosure frameworks and provide a platform for testing the scalability of this solution by the end of a 6-month window. Thank you for the opportunity to share our proposal.